Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. The book I am going to be solving the question from is this book, Cambridge IGCSE and Order Level Additional Maths Course Book, exercise 2.1, question number 6. I actually, throughout this series, I forgot to do question number 6, so I'm going to do it now in the 19th video. So let's begin. The question is 3y is equal to 4x minus 5 and x square, tone it down a bit, x square plus 3xy is equal to 10. So we're going to change we are going to make y the subject in this equation because we can't do it here, otherwise we'll have to separate x and it's going to be a hazard. So y is equal to, not a hazard but very difficult and unnecessarily long. So 4x minus 5 upon 3. Now that we have the value of y, we will put it into this equation to x square plus 3x into 4x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 10. I'll give you guys some time to copy. Now when we open the bracket, we get x square is equal plus 12x squared minus 15x upon 3 is equal to 10. Now we're going to take this 3 and multiply it with 10 on the other side. So x squared plus 12x squared minus 15x is equal to 30. So 15x squared minus 15x is equal to 30. Sorry, we're just going to do minus 30 is equal to 0. So if we take 15 common, we have x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to divide 0 by 15, which is going to be 0. So we're left with x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. The middle term breaking for this will be, if you multiply minus 2 with the coefficient of x, we're going to get minus 2, and we need two numbers that when summed up we get minus 1, and when multiplied we get minus 2. So it's going to be minus 2 plus 1. X squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when you sum up minus 2 and minus 1, you get minus 2 and plus 1, you get minus 1. And when you multiply them, you get minus 2. So x is equal to x minus 2 and plus, so we're going to take minus 2 common, so minus 1. We're going to take minus 1 common, so x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to take these two brackets as 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2, x equal to 1, sorry, so sorry, x equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now we need to put these into the original equation, which was y is equal to 4x minus 5 upon 3. 4x y is equal to 4x minus 5 upon 3. So we're going to take 3 and multiply it with y, so we can end with 3y is equal to 4x minus 5. Okay, we're going to put the value of x, so right. Okay. It's already x minus 2. I'm so sorry. This oh, I'm so sorry. And this is supposed to be plus 1. I'm so sorry. This is supposed to be plus 1. So the answer will be minus 1. Again, so sorry. Please correct your mistakes if you were copying this. So 3y, where we have 3y is equal to 4x minus 5. So 3y is equal to 4 into minus 1 minus 5. 3y is equal to minus 4 minus 5. And then y is equal to minus 9 upon 3. We're going to take 3 from here and divide it. We're left with y is equal to minus 3. Yeah. So we have one answer is minus 1 comma minus 3. And I'm running out of space here, so I'm just going to go to a new page. 3y is equal to 4x minus 5. 3y is equal to 4 into 2 minus 5. 3y is equal to 8 minus 5, and then y is equal to 3 upon 3. So we're left with y is equal to 1. 2 comma 1. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with friends and colleagues who are struggling during their exams or just want to improve in the summers. And I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah.